Hello guys, if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more. Today we are making chapati, and this is a simple recipe. I've just added salt, water and sugar and some warm water. So this is a new style that I realized that makes soft chapatis. Now I mixed the flour like that. So in the mixing I make sure that the sugar, the salt, the mixture of water and mafuta, it gets mixed well in the video as you see. So even though wanna mix, na make sure na mix zote vizuri. So when I'm done mixing, because you must make sure that it is ni kama chenga, una venye unga ya chenga inakuanga. So you mix like that, then you add some water kidogo you don't put too much water, because if you put too much water itakuwa kama ya unga ya mandazi. Okay, itakuwa kama unga ya mandazi. So I always avoid to make my dough like that of mandazi. So the chapati dough must be at least a little bit not hard, but somehow hard, but not hard. Okay, so you will continue with the mix, you will continue with the kneading of your dough. So when you continue with the kneading of your dough, you will add some oil on it. Okay, you will add some oil so that your chapatis, when you cook them, they will become we call it fluffy. Okay, zinachana. Okay, so you will make sure you continue to knead your chapatis well. You knead your chapatis well, and you must add some energy on it so that it becomes good. Okay, so that is what I was doing. Sometimes I do it while sitting down because kiuno kuuma, backache. So I sit down sometimes and do it better. Okay, so that is how we need that flour. So if you want to make your soft chapatis, that is what you do, and you will have nice chapatis that all your visitors, all the neighbors will feel the smell of that chapati while you are cooking. So guys, continue subscribing to this channel. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly guys, and watch our videos, because the content that we're bringing on this channel, one of them is cooking and family couple stuffs that will benefit you. Now I'm not good in making them round, but that is what I do. So after flattening it on that thing, okay, you're using your pin, and I don't have a working area, so that is what I do. So after doing that, I'll apply some oil on top again. So after applying some oil on top, I'll do what? I'll kata and make sure nimekata into pieces so that nazi roll round vizuri, natengeneza chapati zingine mwecheche. Are you getting me? So after doing that, you will apply some oil on it, then unakata. Okay, so after applying oil, then zitakuwa hivyo. Have you seen what I've done? So in that small 1 kg, I've made 9. Okay, 9 chapatis. So the final touch is now I don't use unga on my working area as I flatten the chapatis. Okay, I don't use unga. What I just use small oil on top of that. Then I use the rolling pin. So when I'm done, I carry it because I have a big pan. So I'll just take it to the pan so that I do some good chapatis. Azikwangi zimenaona sana, azikwangi zimenaona, but zikiiva, my friend, ni chapati ingine mwecheche mzuri sana. So guys, if you're learning to make chapatis, soft chapatis, fluffy chapatis, this is the recipe to follow, and it is very easy to follow, guys. So direct to the kitchen, let's see what is happening there. So when you enter kitchen, this is what happens. That is the secret behind everything. Okay, so you make sure that you preheat your pan and usiweke moto mingi if you want your chapatis to be good. Ukiweka mingi utaiungusha tu, kataungua tu, but haitaiva. Okay, now see the final product of what I've made. My friend, look at those chapatis. Look at those chapatis, my friend. You good. So guys, if you love the video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell that any moment we post a video, you will be the first person to be notified. And guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for what you've done in our lives by supporting our channel. Thank you guys. Bye.